Ang ending, ako pa rin. Eto bang tanong mo anak? Bakit ganoon mamiin? Akala ko pag may team na, luluwag na rin ang trabaho ko. Naku anak, this is the kind of exhaustion that many business owners carry quietly. Hindi naman tamad ang team. Hindi rin ibig sabihin na wala silang pakialam. Pero kahit na may team ka na, parang ikaw pa rin ang may hawak ng lahat. Ikaw pa rin ang nagpa-final check, ikaw pa rin ang tinatawag kapag may mali, ikaw pa rin ang kailangan magdesisyon sa bawat problema. Do you experience the same thing? Yung mas marami ka ng tao ngayon kaysa dati, pero parang mas mabigat pa ang negosyo kaysa nung nagsisimula ka pa lang. Alam mo ba, hindi ito simpleng staffing problem ha. This is a signal na may kulang sa sistema ng negosyo natin at hindi tao. Because here is the truth that many business owners realize na too late na. A team cannot follow a standard that exists only in the owner's head. Kapag nasa isip lang natin ang tamang paraan, talagang mahihirapang sumabay ang ibang tao. And instead of leading the business, we end up carrying the business. I remember someone who approached me at an event and she told me her story. Nag-umpisa daw siya ng kanyang catering business na talagang completely alone. Nagluluto, nagpapak, nagde-deliver, nangongolekta ng bayad. Lahat siya. As orders grew, naisipan na niyang mag-hire. And now, she has already 4 helpers. Pero every time that she steps back, nagkakaroon ng problema. Kulang ang portions, hindi maayos ang plating, may customer na nagrereklamo. So, ang ending, bumabalik sa siya ang gumagawa ng lahat. Para sigurado, akala niya staff problem yon. And as a result, paulit-ulit niyang kinokorek yung kanyang team. Kaya, tinanong niya ako, bakit ako pa rin mami ang gumagawa ng lahat? Kapag hindi akong gumawa, hindi tama ang output. Parang mas mabilis pa kung ako na lang Ano kaya ang mali? Now, let me share 5 steps to help your business stop depending too much on the owner. Number 1, define the standard. Kapag nasa utak mo lang yung tamang paraan, mahihirapan ng team na sumabay. Number 2, wag puro sabi lang. People forget instructions. Systems will help them remember. Number 3, teach the why, hindi lang how. Kasi kapag how lang ang alam ng team, they will have a hard time making decisions when you are not there. Number 4, bigyan sila ng authority. Kung hindi sila makapag-decide nang wala ka, ikaw pa rin ang kailangan laging nandoon, di ba? And number 5, matutong magtiwala sa team. It does not mean na abandoning them. Turuan mo sila para kaya nilang panindigan ng trabaho kahit na wala ka. Small changes like these are what help your business grow without depending on you all the time. Kaya, let's be business-minded, Pinoy. May team ka na, pero ikaw pa rin ang kailangan sa lahat. Anak, hindi yan team. That's just a group of people waiting for your next instruction. Team na Marunong is a 90-day guided program designed for business owners like you who already have a team, pero gusto ng may structure, accountability, at consistency na hindi ka na laging kailangan pumasok sa picture. Week by week, you will build a team that is stable, proactive, at saka self-driven. Kahit wala ka sa tabi nila, hindi mo kailangan ng bagong team. Kailangan mo lang ng tamang sistema para sa team na meron ka na. Enroll now anak ha! The link is in the comment section.